Welcome to 11410 Tassie Drive in Coldstream, a beautiful home with an incredible bonus, just under half an acre near top schools in Okanagan's best hiking, Kalamalka Provincial Park. But what truly sets it apart? A solid workshop space that's ready for whatever you envision. With 700 square feet, 14-foot ceilings, and 100 amps, it's built for flexibility. Imagine the possibilities. Store and tinker with your dream hot rods, build custom pieces, or run your woodworking side hustle. Launch your creative business in a dedicated, flexible space. Add value with a separate suite, kitchen, bath, and living area. Work from home without being in your home. Quiet and private. And keep your gear organized, ready for your next Okanagan adventure. 11410 Tassie Drive, Coldstream. Imagine what you could do. The possibilities are endless.